بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Welcome to my channel. Dear, subscribe and share. Hazrat Umer, may Allah be pleased with him, was the second caliph of Islam and played a significant role in establishing and shaping the political and administrative structures of the early Islamic state. Here are a few hadiths related to his approach to governance and politics. Consultation and Shura. Hazrat Umer, may Allah be pleased with him, was known for consulting with companions and seeking their advice and opinions before making important decisions. Narrated by Anas bin Malik. I heard Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, saying, if the ruler practices consultation, then the reward is for him, and if he practices independent decision-making, then the sin is upon him. Sahih al-Bukhari. Justice and Equality. Hazrat Umer was known for his strict adherence to justice and equality, even holding himself accountable for the decisions he made as a leader. He upheld the principles of justice and ensured that the law applied equally to all. These hadiths reflect the principles of consultation, justice, equality, and accountability that Hazrat Umer bin Khattab upheld during his time as the Caliph and provide insights into his approach to politics and governance in line with Islamic teachings.
Thank you for watching this video and subscribe my channel for more updates.